a communist leader who was kept in the Madras jail in 1950 under the preventive detention law by writ of habeas corpus in accordance with Article 32 of the Indian Constitution law. He tested his detainment while contending that sections 7, 8, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14 of the Act abuses Articles 13, 19 and 21 of the Indian Constitution, and along these lines, the said Act is ultra vires of the essential thing arrangements as revered under the Constitution of India. The solicitor further represented the issue of the Indian Constitution's method characterized by resolution condition. Whether sections 7, 8, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14 are ultra vires and violates the Article 13, 19 and 21. Whether Article 19 and 21 are interrelated to each other in the protection of life and liberty. Whether the detention of the petitioner under the Preventive Detention Act 1950 is illegal. Whether Article 22 is the complete code in itself while dealing with preventive detention cases. Then again, while dismissing the applicant's contentions, the Honorable Supreme Court of India found that Article 22 of the Indian Constitution is an independent code and that he was kept by the system set up by law. The court additionally held that if an individual's freedom is removed by the state as per the system set up by law, for example in the event that the detainment was according to the technique of law, at that point it can't be said that it disregards the arrangements contained in Article 14, 19 and 21 of the Constitution of India. In this specific case, the Supreme Court took a restricted perspective on Article 21 of the Constitution of India. While applying the regulation of severability, the Zenith Court pronounced Segment 14 as void as it discovers it to be unconstitutional and violative of the key rights. Court stated the rule of system set up by law and proclaimed the use of fair treatment condition and worldwide common liberties contracts unimportant in Indian premises. Further, the court proclaimed segments 7, 8, 10, 11, 12 and 13 as intra-infraction, the constitutions thus legitimate. At long last, the court found that the detainment was legitimate and thus writ was discarded in like manner.